I really feel like Shauna knows me.
Yeah,
or,
man.
Or she has an idea.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
She said this is your interview to
This
lead.
is my, yeah.
And you know why?
So if you're thinking about a career in the bartending industry, like, are you? Like, maybe not. Maybe you are.
I like drinks mixed for me.
Okay. Well, Distinction College could help you. Poisa Daniel Gurdon is a mixologist and teacher at the school, and she'll tell us more about their bartending course.
She's already over here mixing
Morning,
up a
I know.
Trying to do it real quick so I can show you guys what we have to offer. All right, so
Well, I don't even need to say anything. She just kicked off. Welcome. Welcome.
At Distinction College, or bartending is basically you're going to teach the students how to handle liquor.
Okay.
You're going to teach them how to mix non-alcoholic drinks. You know, give them a little bit of knowledge of the health codes that are associated with bartending.
Well, I hope you give them a lot of knowledge about that part. And
I
You
know.
understand, because people can be a little bit.
I know it's not all fun and games.
No,
Okay.
not at all. You have to be very precise with your mixes, as well as you have to be smooth. You have to
Okay.
make it cool. You understand? Because people look at every single thing that you do and feel like,
Distinction College, I've always heard it associated with like CXCs and the basic stuff that has to do with like school. How did we end up at bartending?
they were trying to cater to more than just people trying to get a little bit of sexy to do what they have to do in the working world.
Okay.
You have persons doing security, you have call center, you have a myriad of things that just really, it's just broader for everyone. We want to
Okay.
cater for everyone now.
So it's like learning hands-on trade stuff that you can go out and get a job
And get
immediately
a
with,
job,
not just
definitely.
subjects. Okay. So what
Okay.
other programs do they have?
So as I said, we have call center, we have receptionists, we have customer service, security, the bartending, of course. You have media broadcasting
Is
and
it?
radio.
Really?
Of course.
It's interesting.
Yes, man.
I know.
So we're doing all of that. Let me see.
So you're the teacher for
you
the
have-
bartending?
Yes.
Okay, so you know your stuffs.
Like she does, but tell me at the end of it, what kind of certificate I would get?
So for now, we have the school leaving certificate. You'll be able to work locally for now. So we're working on a whole bunch of stuff with City and Guilds and so on. So we're working on that for now.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, no problem.
But tell me about some of the other lessons that we can learn along the way, even in just your bartending course.
Okay. So we should be able to, all right, on the rocks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
That means over
With
ice.
ice.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And neat is room temperature. No chilled. You have straight up. So the items are normally chilled before
That's
served.
straight up?
Straight up.
It's chilled before you
So
put
it's
it
not
together.
necessarily served with ice, but
Right.
the
It's
items
not neat.
is chilled.
Okay.
Yeah.
See what I did there? It's not
Yeah.
neat.
You can transition a little bit. You can come to a distinction.
As I said, I like to have my drinks mixed for me. But okay. So do I have to have any special prerequisites to
No.
do this course?
No.
No,
if
I
it
just
is that
come in
you-
and decide to want mixed juice, so you got to teach me to mix
Yeah,
juice.
because suppose it is that you don't have the CXCs, but at the same time
You
you
won't
have
turn
the
us back.
passion.
Right.
No.
We can find a skill or we can learn something
There you go.
at Distinction College.
Awesome,
Yes.
Sai.
All right, so what we're gonna learn today.
So what I was trying to hurry up for you a little while ago was a Bob Marley shot, or a flaming Bob Marley shot.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So that has, today, we can either use sour apple liqueur or creme de menthe. We have here also the banana liqueur, right? And a little bit of white rum and grenadine.
Okay.
And when we're all through compiling all of these.
So let's see yours.
Let's see
Put
how-
yours at the
yes.
front so
Wait,
that I
I'm not
can see.
finished.
Oh, you're not finished.
Okay.
Oh.
I want to put the little white rum for you.
Okay, but we want
So-
see what
so-
you do. Can you guys see? All right, there you go. So why you have to use that spoon?
So it's level. So, all right. What happens is, if it is not properly layered,
we can see the
Ah,
right?
I see,
If
I
it's not
see.
properly layered, everything comes crashing into each other and starts fusing.
Oh. So what you do now? Light that on fire?
Yeah.
Light it now?
Well, more you
Is it me alone that look like I'm...
I can't see for myself. Yeah.
You can't see? It not light. Mine, Okay, you know what you need? A stronger lighter. The lighter don't look like it needs some juice. It need little juice. Turn it up.
Hey.
It buck, That's the buck.
Oh, that is
Yes.
the buck.
Anybody have a lighter? Okay. Let's see. you're going to teach us the basics on how to get it mixed properly, right?
Yes.
So what's the first thing we do? What's the first thing we put in the glass?
Grenadine.
And that is the red stuff.
Yes.
What is grenadine?
Yes. What is
Cherry?
that?
Alright, so this is for you. You
right.
come to this side, and this is for you.
All right.
Yeah? So we're going to have, you're going to pour it. You're going to pour a little bit.
What
I'll tell
is
you when to
grenadine? Just red stuff?
stop. It's like cherry syrup.
Cherry syrup.
Okay. Stop. Ooh. Alright.
And then after this, what's next?
A spoon for you and a spoon for you.
A third of the cup?
there.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So what next, miss?
Alright. So you're going to
Pour it over the spoon.
Pour the bottle.
For the bottle?
Yes.
You have to do it yourself.
All right.
The teacher not do it for you. Now you like drinks.
Sit.
Oh Lord. Why this looks so
difficult. It's not.
and pour?
Yes. I'll tell you when to stop. Take it down.
All right.
Pull the
My hand heavy, you know.
Alright. Stop. There you go.
All right, Makasi. Your own, it's second good, Tali?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Mine booming.
There you go. As you pour, you just take.
Your hand look like it's heavier than mine.
My foot heavy when me I drive now.
Alright, stop.
It do it? Hey! It do it, Tali! Okay, let's
So the
put that on
banana
that.
here now.
So we have to use a spoon again?
Yes.
Yes, because you have to make
It helps
another
with the
layer, right?
separation?
Yes.
All right.
Okay. Roger that. Watch Tali. Tali look like she had the
She's
chemistry.
getting into it, man.
I am.
Hold on.
Wait, turn it on.
Oh,
Turn the pour spout around a little.
all right.
Watch your yes, Tali.
All right. I have to try
Settle
to get it
yourself,
right.
Tali. Use that steady hand of yours.
Take time.
Uh-oh.
Tali, you mix it up.
No, man, it has separate. Can I stop now?
Yeah.
I want more.
Give it a little bit.
All right, little more. All right.
Tali, did you mix it up?
Girl, yes.
You mix it up? Why? This hard to get the orange different from the yellow. We
You
should
mean
have,
the green?
yeah, that.
Take your time.
Boy, you got it.
We can't talk when we do this, sorry.
No, you need a certain
All right,
level
all
of
right.
concentration.
Alright.
It's separate.
Yes.
Okay, I'm excited.
Why does the yellow go below the green?
The sugar concentration, it falls to the bottom.
Right.
Okay. No, the wrong time. Oh,
Okay.
the
Put this over there, sir, now.
Rum
So we get our
time.
next
Rum
lighter.
time first.
Oh, rum.
Yes.
Rum. Oh, put on your rum. It looks so pretty. And that must separate on top of it too?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you light is actually the rum and then that burn
Yeah.
off. And then when that burn off, you drink the rest.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I realize I never make me throw the rum though, you know, but it's alright.
Me want show my rum. Me want show my rum, miss.
Could I use a little bit more rum still?
Ooh, we have to go for a break? Oh my gosh. We're going to go for a break, guys, but we'll make sure to show you what this looks like at the end, okay? Mixologist and teacher at Distinction College, Poison Daniel Gurdon. Up next, we're going to head to the salon to learn how to style hair like a pro, because we're learning stuff this morning. My time, rum time. We'll soon come back. Rum time.